Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today we are playing an indie game made in Unity called Barry Has a Secret. Described as food hiding simulation game. Really not sure what to expect. It says made in 3 days. Okay. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to have a go. Let's just get on with it. Press the left mouse button to begin. Time for some cherry pie. I think I left pie in the fridge. Pie.
This is the police. Sir, open the door.
What the? What is that mean? I need to hide 4 pies of evidence. Alright, well, I wanna... Oh my god. So... No. No. Right, obviously I want to put it in there. Why won't it go in? Right, this... This isn't working. Okay. Yeah, alright, alright. What if I open the toilet? Can I open the toilet? I cannot open the toilet. What on earth? Where's the pie gone? Have I hidden it? I don't know. I need to hide 4 pieces. Okay, well it can be anything. Okay, so I'm gonna take banana. Wow, this guy cannot hold things. Left mouse button to drop. Okay, well that's not very well hidden. Okay, hang on. What if I take that? Put it there. Take another one. Yeah, alright, alright, alright. Shut up! Take that. Put it there, and I'm going to put that on top. And put that on top as well. Sod it, that'll do.
I need to check your apartment.
I recognise you. Oh!
One of your neighbors gone missing.
Your secret is revealed.
Is there something over there?
Alright. Let's try again then. Okay. Time for some cherry pie. I think I left pie in the fridge. Okay, so let's go in here. Okay, well, that's kind of morbid.
This is the police.
Because there's a finger sticking out the pie and
Sir,
there's an axe there. I
open
have
the
just
door.
noticed that. Okay, so I'm gonna... Okay, right, well, let's... Oh my god, I mean, seriously, this dude cannot hold things. Why can he not hold things? Take the pie, put it there. There. Banana. Put it there. No, pick it up. Pick it up and put it there. That'll do. That'll do. These things. It's... No, pick it up. No, don't. You stupid idiot. No. This. Seriously, I mean, this guy should not deserve to go. He needs to be arrested. Right. Okay. Well, I'm gonna leave that there. Okay, fine, whatever. Let's put all these back. Yeah, alright, shut up at the door! Wow, man. Idiots. I mean, what is his problem? What is Barry's problem? What is Barry's problem? Pick it up! Pick it up! Right, that's hidden. Forget it. Yeah.
I need to
Go on
check
then.
your apartment. Just a routine check.
Okay.
Person is missing.
Okay. I think I got away with it. I think I've got away with it.
Here.
Can I throw stuff at him? I've got to hide the axe then. Yeah, that's like that's not how you walk with an axe. Now what though? Hello, mate. Yes, done it. Cops didn't collect any evidence. Excellent. Day 2. Cops might come back. I need to hide all evidence. Okay, this is rather grim now. I'll leave that there. Forget it. Okay. I mean, what is his problem? What is this guy's problem?
This is the police.
All right.
Sir, open the door.
Whoa. Oh, man. Okay. No, don't. Just put that there. Seriously, put that there. Put it there. No, put it there. You stupid. Barry's an idiot. That'll do. In the fridge. Yeah, you can go in the fridge. In the fridge. Seriously, why'd you do that? Bananas, you bloody idiot. Right, put that in there as well. No, don't just... Oh. Okay, we've still got time. That's in as well. Okay, well, I'm gonna... Stop doing that! What is your problem, mate? Seriously, what is your problem? Right, just put that in there. Okay, well, I'm gonna take them. And I'm just gonna shove them in there. And that as well. I wonder if I can put the leg in there. I'm gonna try and put the leg in quickly. I've got 13 seconds. Yeah, I've screwed this up. Just close it. Close it.
I need to check your apartment.
Okay, well...
Is there something over there?
No, there's nothing. Just go away now.
I need to check.
Whoa, look at him. His leg's through there. Nice.
I need to check your
Okay.
apartment.
Yep, so far so good. I'm not sure I like Barry. I think he's a bit of a moron. Go on, go away now. Go away. Go on. Sayonara. Go on. Good lad. See ya. Get in. I've done it. Nice. Cops are investigating. Only a couple more days. I need to hide the evidence. Okay, this is incredibly gruesome. Okay, well, what if I put... Oh. What's that on the floor? What is that? Oh, that's the pot lid. Spazzing out.
This is the
Okay,
police.
well, I'm gonna take
Sir,
that.
open the door.
Put it... No, I want to put it in the sink, Barry. Barry! In the sink! Stupid idiot. Okay, I'm going to take that. And I kind of need to put it in there. That will do. I'm going to take a chair and put the chair against it. Oh, well, I thought... That'll do. Oh, I know. I'll take the sponge out the sink. No, sponge, Barry. The sponge. The sponge, Barry. Just throw it there. What the hell am I going to do with this? I wonder if I can... I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I'm thinking... Under the... Damn it. Just put it under the table. Just put it under the table, Barry. You absolute moron. Absolute moron. Okay, well, I'm going to just put it there and put telly on top of it or something. No, put the telly on top of it, Barry! Barry! Oh, God, I swear to God, Barry. You absolute moron, Barry.
What do we have
there.
here?
I think that's good enough. I'm just going to stand here, try and hide. No, go away, mate. No, you don't need to come here. No, you don't need to come here. You just stay there. No. No. Go away. Oh. Go away. Oh. Damn it. Well, that's an interesting concept, I've got to be honest. Very peculiar. Very peculiar indeed. Yeah. Okay, well. Guys, give that a thumbs up if you liked it. Give a thumbs down if you didn't. But let me know in the comments why you didn't like it. That was a very peculiar game. Very odd. Yeah, link in the description if you want to have a go yourself. That was Barry Has a Secret. I've been Jimmy Vegas. Thank you very much for watching.